Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Success in life is not an accident. It's a result of deliberate action, careful planning, and most importantly, the mindset you choose to adopt. A champion is not someone who simply wins. A champion is someone who prepares to win, overcomes setbacks, and continues striving for excellence. The power of a winning mindset is the cornerstone of success, an essential element that sets apart those who achieve greatness from those who settle for mediocrity. It all begins in the mind. Your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes shape your actions, and those actions in turn determine your outcomes. A champion's mindset is not something you are born with. It is something you develop, refine, and strengthen over time. It requires an intentional effort to cultivate a mental framework that turns challenges into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. At its core, a winning mindset is built on the foundation of belief in your potential, your ability to learn, and your capacity to grow. Champions understand that success is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. They choose to focus on possibilities rather than limitations, solutions rather than problems, and progress rather than perfection. This mindset allows them to see the bigger picture, to look beyond temporary failures, and to remain steadfast in their pursuit of excellence. One of the most defining characteristics of a champion's mindset is resilience. Life is full of challenges, and no path to success is free of obstacles. The difference between those who give up and those who persevere lies in their ability to bounce back from adversity. Resilience is not just about enduring hardships, it's about learning from them and using those lessons to become stronger. Champions view challenges as opportunities for growth, and they approach each setback with the mindset of a learner. They ask, what can I take away from this experience and how can I use this to improve? Equally important is the ability to maintain focus. In a world full of distractions, staying committed to your goals can be difficult. Champions know that clarity of purpose is essential. They are driven by a vision of what they want to achieve, and they keep that vision at the forefront of their minds. This clarity helps them to prioritize their time and energy, ensuring that every action they take moves them closer to their goals. They understand that success requires sacrifice, and they are willing to forgo short-term pleasures for long-term rewards. A winning mindset also involves taking ownership of your journey. Champions do not blame circumstances, other people, or external factors for their outcomes. Instead, they take full responsibility for their actions and their results. This sense of accountability empowers them to take control of their lives and make the necessary changes to achieve their goals. They understand that while they cannot control everything that happens to them, they can control how they respond. This mindset of ownership fosters a proactive approach to life, where obstacles are not excuses but challenges to be overcome. Finally, the power of a winning mindset lies in its ability to inspire action. Belief without action is merely wishful thinking. Champions translate their mindset into consistent effort, pushing themselves to improve every day. They embrace discipline and understand that success is built on the foundation of small, consistent actions repeated over time. A winning mindset fuels this effort, providing the motivation and determination needed to keep going, even when the journey gets tough. In summary, the power of a winning mindset is transformative. It shapes how you think, how you act, how you succeed. It is the inner strength that propels you forward, the resilience that helps you overcome obstacles, and the focus that keeps you on track. By cultivating a champion's mindset, you unlock the potential to achieve greatness in any area of your life. Commitment to continuous growth is an essential principle for achieving success and sustaining it over time. A champion recognizes that success is not a fixed destination, but an ongoing journey. It is the commitment to growth that fuels this journey, providing the mindset and skills needed to adapt, evolve, and excel. Growth is not an occasional activity or something that happens by chance. It is an intentional and continuous process that champions prioritize throughout their lives. At its heart, the commitment to growth begins with the realization that there is always room for improvement. No matter how skilled, knowledgeable, or accomplished someone may be, there is always more to learn. Champions adopt a mindset of curiosity, viewing life as a vast classroom filled with lessons waiting to be discovered. They understand that every experience, whether positive or challenging, offers an opportunity to grow. This perspective allows them to approach life with humility, acknowledging that growth is not about proving oneself, but improving oneself. One of the key aspects of continuous growth is the willingness to embrace feedback. Feedback, whether from a mentor, peer, or personal reflection, is a powerful tool for improvement. Champions do not fear constructive criticism, they welcome it. They understand that feedback provides valuable insights into their strengths and areas for development. Rather than taking criticism personally, they use it as a guide to refine their skills, adjust their strategies, and become better versions of themselves. This openness to feedback requires vulnerability, but it also demonstrates the strength of character and a deep commitment to self-improvement. Continuous growth also involves setting high standards and striving to exceed them. Champions do not settle for mediocrity or rest on past achievements. They set ambitious goals and challenge themselves to reach new heights. This drive for excellence pushes them out of their comfort zones, encouraging them to take risks, experiment with new approaches, and embrace the uncertainty that comes with pursuing growth. Growth often happens at the edge of comfort, where challenges test resilience and perseverance. Champions understand this dynamic and willingly embrace discomfort as a necessary part of the journey. Another vital component of continuous growth is the pursuit of knowledge. Champions are lifelong learners, constantly seeking to expand their understanding and acquire new skills. They read books, attend workshops, engage in meaningful conversations, and seek out mentors who can offer guidance and wisdom. They recognize that knowledge is a powerful asset that not only enhances their abilities, but also broadens their perspective. This hunger for learning keeps them sharp, adaptable, and prepared to navigate the ever-changing landscape of challenges and opportunities.
Equally important is the ability to reflect on progress and learn from experiences. Champions make time for self-reflection, evaluating their actions, decisions, and outcomes. They ask themselves critical questions: what went well?
What could I have done better? What did I learn? This process of reflection allows them to extract valuable lessons from every situation and use those insights to inform future decisions. It is through reflection that champions transform experiences into wisdom and setbacks into stepping stones for success. In essence, the commitment to continuous growth is about embracing the mindset that learning and improvement are lifelong endeavors. It is a journey of constant evolution driven by curiosity, resilience, and a deep desire to reach one's full potential. Champions understand that growth is not optional. It is the foundation of sustained success and the key to thriving in an ever-changing world. By committing to growth, they remain adaptable, inspired, and equipped to achieve greatness in all areas of life. Discipline and habits are the bedrock of any lasting success. They shape the path to achievement and determine the trajectory of your life. Champions understand that while talent and ambition are important, they are not enough on their own. It is through disciplined actions and consistent habits that potential is transformed into reality. Discipline creates structure, habits create momentum, and together they forge a system for sustained progress. Discipline begins with clarity of purpose. Champions take the time to define what they want to achieve and why it matters. This clarity acts as their guiding star, giving them a reason to stay focused and committed, even when motivation wanes. Discipline is not about relying on fleeting bursts of inspiration. It's about taking deliberate, purposeful actions every day, regardless of how they feel in the moment. It is the quiet resolve to stay on course, the willingness to make sacrifices, and the strength to resist distractions. Building effective habits is a natural extension of discipline. Habits are the small, repeated actions that compound over time to produce significant results. Champions know that success is not about one big win, but about the accumulation of many small, consistent efforts. They identify the habits that align with their goals and integrate them into their daily routines. Whether it's waking up early to train, dedicating time to learning, or maintaining focus during work, these habits become the foundation of their success. The power of habits lies in their ability to automate success. Once a habit is established, it requires less conscious effort, freeing up mental energy for other pursuits. Champions understand this principle and focus on building habits that create positive momentum. They also recognize the importance of breaking habits that hinder progress. Letting go of unproductive behaviors and replacing them with constructive ones is a crucial step in the journey to greatness. One of the key aspects of discipline and habits is consistency. Champions understand that progress is not always immediate or visible. They embrace the grind, knowing that consistent effort will eventually lead to breakthroughs. This consistency requires patience and trust in the process. It means showing up every day, putting in the work, and staying committed even when the results are not yet apparent. Over time, this consistency compounds, creating exponential growth and lasting success. Discipline and habits also require self-control and the ability to delay gratification. Champions are not swayed by short-term temptations that could derail their progress. They understand that true success often requires sacrificing momentary pleasures for long-term rewards. This mindset helps them make decisions that align with their goals, even in the face of challenges or distractions. Another critical component is accountability. Champions hold themselves accountable for their actions and results. They track their progress, evaluate their performance, and adjust their strategies as needed. This accountability ensures that they stay on track and remain disciplined, even when external pressures or setbacks arise. In summary, discipline and habits are the invisible forces that drive success. They provide the structure, consistency, and focus needed to achieve ambitious goals. Champions understand that success is not a matter of luck or chance. It is the result of disciplined actions taken over time and the habits that support those actions. By mastering discipline and cultivating habits aligned with their aspirations, they lay the groundwork for a life of purpose, achievement, and fulfillment.